Heidi, happy birthday to you. Well, I suppose I should thank you for being so perfect, so I don't have to be. Well, this line is copied from Bridgerton. It's not original, but feelings are same. So enjoy your day. Happy birthday once again. Mwah, love you.
बार बार दिने आए बार बार दिले गाए बार बार दिने आए बार बार दिले गाए तुम जियो हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हैप्पी बर्थडे हिमानी भाभी हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हैप्पी बर्थडे भाभी
Happy birthday, Dee.
Happy birthday, Didi. We want to say that you are the best.
हैप्पी बर्थडे हिमानी। तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000।
Happy birthday, Mani.
Happy birthday. Wish you a very bright day, sunny day.
God bless you.
तुम मेरा हाथ छोड़ के अगर जाना चाहो तो जा सकते हो साथ रह के अगर मुझ पे तरस खाना चाहो तो जा सकते हो तुम न सोचो कि तुम बिन मेरा क्या होगा सच तो ये है कि जो होगा अच्छा होगा साथ रह के अगर मुझ पे तरस खाना चाहो तो जा सकते हो तुम मेरा हाथ छोड़ के अगर जाना चाहो तो जा सकते हो This is sheer nostalgia, Himani. When Ashish asked me to do a song for you on your birthday, I was literally thinking which song could go well for your birthday, but then this song, I don't know, it just struck me and brought back all the beautiful memories of our Westcott days, our rehearsals, our dance practice, and whatnot. So, wish you a very happy birthday once again. Let me tell you, you are a lucky girl. I really appreciate the efforts that Ashish put in for your birthday surprise, and I hope you like all the videos coming up from different friends. And stay happy, stay healthy, and do become my dietitian for the time being. I've put on a lot of weight. Thank you.
Hi Himani, wish you a very happy birthday. I really appreciate the efforts of your husband. I've been trying to dodge this video since a long time, but then he really made sure that I make this video before your birthday. So you got lucky on that one. I hope you're doing well, Himani. Wish you a very happy birthday and I wish you all the best things in life. I know you'll go get them. You're a go-getter. I miss you. I miss our friendship. I hope whenever we meet next, we catch up from where we left. And बड़ा मज़ा आता था जब lunch break में we used to go out for walks and talk about everything under the sun and discuss life issues and solve all our problems for each other. It was a different time. Yeah, so I miss you and you take care and wish you a very, very happy birthday once again. I'm so sorry I'm making a short video, but I hope to speak to you over the phone. Bye.
Happy birthday, Rima.
कौन मौसी?
Himani Mouse. Happy birthday, Mouse.
Happy birthday, Mani मौसी. ऐसे ही हमेशा awesome रहना. क्या रहना एमी?
Assam Rana.
Hi Imani, a very, very, very happy birthday. May you have a very fruitful day and a very fruitful year ahead. And this is what I mean. Okay, so here's wishing you get up and have a very fresh start to your day. Here's also hoping that you go out on a date. May your evening be spicy and juicy. As far as the year is concerned, may you have health by your side, May you always stay young and fresh. May you be evergreen. And of course, always be hard on the outside and soft on the inside. And once in a while, it's always okay to, let your hair down and drive people nuts. Happy birthday. Bye.
Birthday Himani. Happy birthday Himani.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Himani. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. God bless you, dear Himani. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Himani. Go to clap. Happy birthday to the lovely, skinny and vegan lady. Love to know you. And we always wish to eat like something creative and new things from you. And be happy, be healthy like you are. And
Send us cake.
oh wow, we need that. That's we miss your that cake. Ooh, love you. Bye. See you. Happy birthday once again.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Himani.
Birthday Himani.
हैप्पी बर्थडे हिमानी.
Happy birthday, Himani.
जन्मदिन की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं. खूब आगे बढ़ो,
खुश रहो.
खूब तरक्की करो.
Happy birthday, Himani. तुम जियो हजारों साल, यही आरज़ू हम लोगों की.
सदा खुश रहो.
Happy birthday to Himani. Happy birthday to Himani.
Hey Himani, hi, happy birthday. Wish you a great birthday. Wish you all the happiness and health in the coming years. And wish you the best in you and your life. Enjoy this birthday like never before. Sending you lots of love and wishes. Happy birthday. See you soon.
हमारी किचन है, ये हम है और ये हमारी पार्टी हो रही है हिमानी के बर्थडे की. हैप्पी बर्थडे हिमानी.
You're my heroine forever, Himani. Happy birthday.
होने ना दे
Happy birthday, Chachi. Stay blessed, stay smiling, and keep inspiring us with each passing day. Love you.
हिम्स, ये मैं हूँ, ये प्रत्युष सर का घर है और वहाँ पे तुम्हारी पावी हो रही है। इसके पहले कि लोग मुझे पागल समझे, मैं ये वीडियो बहुत शॉर्ट रखूँगी। हैप्पी 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 बर्थडे, स्टे सेफ, स्टे हेल्दी, जैसे तू हमेशा हमें इंस्पायर करती है, कीप इंस्पायरिंग अस। लव टू धानी। हेलो आशीष भैया। वैसे भी एमी इज़ गोइंग टू स्टील दिस वीडियो, तो ज़्यादा बोल के पॉइंट नहीं है। हैप्पी 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 बर्थडे।
Hi Himani, I think for the first time when I met you, I still remember we had such a nice discussion. You living with life and had so much to share. And I think honestly that has been one of the great reasons why we've been such great friends. Recently you've come across as the health guru in the group, and I can't thank you enough for taking that path, because I think that path is something that all of us will follow eventually. So yeah, thanks you for treading ahead. But today I just want to wish you a great birthday, and thank you Ashish for this nice initiative that you've taken.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chachi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Chachi.
Hey Himani, happy birthday. Yes, we wish you a very happy birthday. तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000. We love you, Himani. Keep slaying it, girl.
Happy birthday, Himani.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Himani. Happy birthday to Meri Babu.